Right now, you're probably feeling one of three things. Number one, your views have suddenly dropped and you feel like the algorithm is punishing you. Number two, your paid ads are getting so expensive that your profit margins are vanishing. Or number three, you're posting every day, you're completely burnt out, but none of your content is leading to actual sales. Now, it doesn't matter if you're selling a $10 D2C product, a monthly subscription for your SaaS, or a $10,000 coaching program. The pain is the same. You're putting in the maximum effort but getting minimum returns. I know exactly how this feels because I have lived it. When I started out, I spent months posting over 200 pieces of content. I worked every single day and all I got were 24 followers. I felt like a failure. But over my 5 years in this industry, I realized something important. I wasn't failing because I was lazy. I was just playing the wrong game. And today, I am going to show you exactly why your views are stuck, why paying for your ads is keeping you broke, and how to build a simple machine that turns your viewers into your buyers. So don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's start with your biggest headache, the views. You post a video and it gets stuck at 200 views. Or worse, your views used to be high and suddenly they drop. Now your first thought is, the app is broken or the algorithm hates me. But it's not the tech that should be blamed. The algorithm is just testing your video and people are swiping past it. Why are they swiping? Because you are acting like a billboard. Most businesses use social media like a megaphone. They shout their features. Buy my coaching, buy my software, buy my skincare cream. But the platforms have now evolved. If you run a B2B company, your audience doesn't want a list of software features. They want to know that you understand their daily operational headaches. If you run a D2C brand, your customer doesn't just want to see the product. They want to see the lifestyle or the specific problem it solves. When nobody is watching, the algorithm is simply testing your content and your engagement. If your hook doesn't open a loop or resonate deeply, the platform will stop pushing it. And that means you don't have a technical problem. You have a trust problem. To fix this reach drop, you must stop posting generic advice and start posting highly specific solutions for your exact buyer. Think of this like a doctor. Does a doctor tell you to buy a medicine the moment you visit him? No. He asks the problem, the symptoms, he does stuff, and then he recommends you something. So if you sell a cream, don't share the ingredients, share the emotions. Show a person using it for their acne and feeling confident. Share how every ingredient you have used helps the person with their skin. If you sell a SaaS, don't share the features or the UI. Share the problem solved, the money saved, or the efforts reduced. And that's how you make your product and your content mean something to your customers or someone. Now let's talk about the second problem. When the views drop, a lot of business owners panic. They think, nobody's watching my free videos, so I'll just pay for ads to force them to watch. Now this is a very dangerous game. Let's look at the simple math between paid ads and organic content. Paying for ads is like renting an apartment. You pay the landlord, in this case Meta, Google or TikTok, every single month. And as long as you pay, you have a place to live, you're making money. But the second you stop, it drops or even falls to zero if you haven't built anything. But organic marketing, that is making videos and articles without paying to promote them, is like building a house. Yes, it takes longer. Yes, it is hard work upfront. But once you build it, there's no going back. It lives on the internet forever. I have made videos and articles months back that still bring me clients today. And I haven't run ads ever. Because look, ads have a linear cost. You pay for every single click. But content is an exponential asset. You make it once, it sleeps for a long time, and it pays you back over and over again. So if you want a business that lasts for 10 years, you cannot rely on renting your audience. You have to own them. Use organic to test, build the foundation, create the community, and build trust and clarity on the feed of your customers. And also use ads to scale, convert, retarget, and diversify those people. So if you know you need to solve problems and you know you need to make free content instead of running ads or do both, what is the next trap? The next trap is burnout. You think, okay, I'll just post 3 times a day, I'll be everywhere. Please stop. You do not need more content. You do not need more platforms. You need connected content, and I call this the trust ecosystem. The traditional marketing funnel, where you force a stranger down a linear path to buy, is dead. Today, those buyers are very smart. They don't walk in a straight line. Now, let's say a founder finds a short video about a technical problem, like why their views dropped, like you're watching me right now. They watch it, they don't buy immediately. Instead, they click over to your YouTube channel to watch a 10-minute deep dive. Then they read a post from you on LinkedIn. Right now, they're bouncing around inside your trust ecosystem. It is a network of a lot of content pieces that you have set up. And this is the same whether you sell a $10 D2C or a $10,000 coaching program. Because that is how human behavior has been working recently. Here's another example. There's a guy who wants to buy a chair. He knows he wants it. What will he do? He'll Google for some chair brands, read some blogs, and then he'll ask ChatGPT for recommendations. He'll check the social media profiles of those companies to see if they're legit or not, or check the shopping platforms to check for reviews. And after seeing the social media or building the trust, they will make the decision or either forget about it. And then you will retarget them with an ad or an offer and they will buy. Now, the decision to buy was made long back, but the decision to buy from you came after seeing the social media. Everything else was just a touch point. Now, let's make this incredibly simple. If your views are low, stop blaming the algorithm. Just focus on posting content that builds trust and clarity, and be creative to attract more people in the top of the funnel. If your profit margins are shrinking, stop relying on paid ads and start building an organic foundation. And if you're exhausted from posting, get off the I need to post more mindset and build a trust ecosystem that does the work for you. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide that I have created, it's called the Roadmap from 0 to 10K Loyal Followers Who Buy. You can get it in the description. It is free, so get it now. And if this video made sense to you, hit subscribe, because we are going to keep building your business together with organic marketing, and I'm going to make sure that we do better.